This video focuses on the sum to product formulas. They are on your formula sheet, or you can write them down on this slide. Here's our first example. We give you the cosine of 120 degrees plus the cosine of 30 degrees. And we want to use the sum to product formula. So we have to choose the appropriate formula. So we have the cosine of an angle plus the cosine of an angle. So if we head down to our formulas, it is the third one down. So this represents our x in the formula. This represents our y in the formula. Now we're going to go ahead and put it into this right-hand side. So it's 2 times the cosine of 120 degrees plus 30 degrees over 2 times the cosine of 120 degrees minus 30 degrees over 2. Now we'll simplify those fractions. So we'll first take care of the numerator. 120 degrees plus 30 degrees is 150. And then subtracting them, 120 minus 30 is 90 degrees. And then divide by 2. All right, the second example. Again, the sum to product. Choose the appropriate one. So we have the sine of x minus another sine of 3x. So there's your sine of x minus sine of y. So we're going to use this right-hand side. This will represent our x in the formula. This will represent our y in the formula. So we say it equals 2 times the sine of 7x minus 3x over 2 times the cosine of 7x plus 3x over 2. We'll simplify those fractions, just like we did on the last example. So 7x minus 3x is 4x, divided by 2. 7x plus 3x is 10x, divided by 2. One more time to simplify. 4x divided by 2 is 2x. 10x divided by 2 is 5x. Here are just a couple more examples. If you wanted to use sine of 5 theta minus sine of 3 theta, this just kind of goes through and simplifies it down to 2 sine of theta cosine of theta. If you want to pause it, you're welcome to do so. Here's just one more I found. Sine of 15 degrees plus the sine of 75 degrees. Here's the formula we'll use. There's our x, there's our y. We substitute it in and simplify, and we get an answer because we're using that formulas of the exact values for the sine of 45 degrees, cosine of 30.